Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something exciting for all you biking enthusiasts out there. We'll be taking a closer look at the Pacific Mountain Sport Youth and Adult Hardtail Mountain Bike, a versatile and durable bike that's perfect for riders of all ages. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know why this bike is considered one of the best hardtail mountain bikes available. Let's start by giving you an overview of the Pacific Mountain Sport Hardtail Mountain Bike. This bike is designed for both youth and adults, making it suitable for a wide range of riders. It comes with 24 to 26-inch wheels, 18-speed twist shifters, front suspension, and a robust steel frame. But what sets it apart from the rest? Let's dive into the details. The Pacific Mountain Sport Bike boasts several key features that make it stand out in the market. First and foremost, it comes with a durable 15-inch steel mountain frame and front suspension fork. This combination allows the bike to tackle bumps and drops with ease, ensuring a comfortable ride even on rugged terrain. Another impressive feature is the 18-speed twist shifters and rear derailleur, which guarantee consistent and seamless shifting. Whether you're climbing uphill or cruising downhill, this bike has you covered. And when it comes to safety, the front and rear V-brakes deliver controlled and responsive stopping power, giving you peace of mind during your rides. The Pacific Mountain Sport Bike also features a 3-piece mountain crank that provides a wide gear range, making it suitable for various riding styles and terrains. And speaking of terrains, benefit from the durability and strength of alloy rims, coupled with the on-trail traction provided by wide mountain tires. These features ensure a smooth and stable ride, whether you're hitting the trails or cruising through your neighborhood. One of the great things about this bike is its versatility. It's designed for riders aged 8 and up, with a suggested height range of 4 feet 8 to 5 feet 6. So whether you're a youth looking to explore the world of mountain biking or an adult seeking adventure, this bike is designed to accommodate you. Now, let's take a moment to look at what customers are saying about the Pacific Mountain Sport Bike. With a solid 4.1-star rating on Amazon, it's clear that many riders have had positive experiences with this bike. Customers have praised its durability, ease of assembly, and value for money. Some have even shared their experiences riding this bike on various terrains. And before we wrap up, let me share a couple of personal testimonials. I know a friend who bought this bike as their first ever bicycle for college commuting. They found the assembly process to be straightforward and appreciated that most of the bike came pre-assembled. They did mention that the stock seat was a bit uncomfortable but easily replaced it with a more cushioned one. And even after a minor collision with a car, the bike remained minimally damaged, a testament to its durability. In conclusion, the Pacific Mountain Sport Youth and Adult Hardtail Mountain Bike is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to explore the world of mountain biking. Its combination of durability, versatility, and affordability makes it one of the best hardtail mountain bikes on the market today. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or if you've had your own experiences with this bike, please share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.